Camera's rolling.
Touch and go and join the traffic.
That's because it's free.
It's on the 7862 X-ray.
All right, number 62 X-ray, runway 13, cleared, touch and go, then left traffic.
13, clear, touch and go, then left traffic. November 7862 X-ray.
That is $1 million view, my friend.
Already in 656 Papa Delta to the FBO today?
No, we're actually going to put it in my hangar here.
As wide as we were before.
So, yeah, we'll go down to Delta 4 and the Delta row.
Okay, 6 Papa Delta, right turn at runway 24, Delta 4, Delta depart. Does that work?
I think we can do that. We'll go down to 24. Well, did we miss it?
No, you keep going. You're fine. The second right turn is 24. Then you can go either Bravo Delta, or you can just stay on 24 and go down to Delta 4 for your hangar. It's up to you.
We got 24 in sight here. Our taxi diagram didn't pop up like it's supposed to, but we got 24 in sight. We can take 24 all the way to the end, down to Delta 4.
Yep, you got it.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Number 50318, turn base, runway 13, clear land.
Turn base, clear land 13, throw name.
Yeah, he's got right traffic and left traffic. Joy, joy, joy. I'll let you look at the traffic there if you want.
Stand Augustine Tower, 1100, left downwind, midfield.
November 1100, extend downwind, looking for Cessna traffic on a 2-mile right base to final.
1100, extending downwind, looking for traffic coming in from the right.
What's your altitude?
November 7862 X-ray, when able, you'll make left traffic.
When able, left traffic. November 7862 X-ray.
November 1100, that traffic's off your left wing now, 300 feet, short final for runway 13.
1100 has traffic in sight.
Number 1100, number 2, runway 13, clear, touch and go.
1100, cleared, number 2, runway 13.
You're deep and you started low, so you're going to be real low if you don't shallow out. And you had a really manly VSI, so just to give you a heads up. See the electric plant from here at Palaka. Crazy.
Hey, you sure can. I know how to get you home.
Yeah.
But we got to go that way first. Get to the truck.
I know, I got to kick you out first.
San Jose Tower, this is the 5038. You got a gator on your runway, about 300 feet.
Holy crap,
All right,
is this
thank
a
you for
real
that.
thing?
5038, Bravo 2, then you go to the FBO.
If you could take me to the fuel farm, I just need to get the hangars thereafter.
Okay, yeah, left turn on Bravo, cross 2, hold short 6.
So glad we caught that.
Bravo, cross 2, hold short 6, right?
Number 110, go around for an alligator on the runway.
1100, going around for alligator on the runway.
I am seen it.
Number 762 X-ray, runway 13.
Okay, so question, what altitude should I pick for?
Just climb up to pattern altitude, and you can bring it on. Generally tend to bring the runway on your left side so you can see it. That's a general rule.
Approach Oragora, November 7862.
Just normal, just climb, you know. To pattern altitude, and as soon as you're at pattern altitude, you should be clear to turn. I want to see if we can see the gator.
Right?
That's just too funny, man.
Is that it right there by the taxiway? I see something
Where?
dark. The
Which taxiway?
second taxiway. No,
Okay.
that's not it. You did say gator on the runway, though.
Well, the guy said it too. He's up there, I think. On the left side.
Oh, yeah, I see him right at the end,
Yeah.
maybe?
Yeah. Stay at 600 feet so we can see the gator. I don't know. Maybe that's just a dark spot.
Yeah, I don't know.
50318, cross runway 6, then Delta to self-serve if you need.
6 Delta to self-serve, through anything.
I don't see anything.
I don't either.
Night 2 tower.
We hear that right? That there's a gator on the runway?
Yeah, you want to come get it?
Yeah, you want us to come hover over, try and scare them away?
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, let's do that. Night 2, if you'd like, come inbound. Make straight in runway 13.
Alright, we'll make straight in 13, night 2.
Oh, dear Lord, I've seen it all. Well, it's up to you if you want to play around in the pattern, head back,
The runway is young.
or whatever. It's your done.
I'd really like to get one good landing today.
Copy that.
Well, you're in left close traffic, so you're pattern altitude. You can turn.
They turn anytime?
Yeah.
You should call the FWC pilot to come out and get him.
Just make sure you call midfield left downward.
Catch him in the office or something. You grab that.
Yeah, right.
It might be better to call somebody else.
No, I reached out to a couple of the maintenance guys. If it doesn't work with you hovering, then we'll get somebody out.
Yeah, we'll give it a try. I think we scared one off the taxiway in the past.